Welcome, guys. Here we got a Cadillac ATS 2.0 turbo. Anyways, we're going to be doing repairs on this vehicle. It was purchased from a salvage yard. We are expecting tailgate to come in, but meanwhile, we're going to start putting it on the rack. Let's check what's on the bottom. About the wall. Let's, guys, start pulling her and release the tension, take it apart, and see what's going on the inside. Not like I need it, but here you guys have it. Let me just give you a little introduction. Took the car slightly apart, just removed the bumper and the taillight just to see what's going on the inside. Guys, I'm surprised. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. We're still gonna do some more work to assembling the car. But, guys, this car is total just because of this accident. No airbags deployed, nothing. We'll knock her out. It's gonna take probably a day process, a day and a half, 2 days. Guys, I've seen worse cars that are registered and they drive on the streets with the tied down trunks. And how did they even total lost this car? It's impossible, really. Just a quarter panel, trunk. Well, we'll knock her out. Stay tuned, guys.
Maybe not.
here's your quarter panel. We pulled her out, we knocked her out, trimmed it, kind of scuffed it up, grinded here. We're still waiting for the tailgate to get in, but meanwhile, we're gonna slap the bumper on to match it, see how it looks, and we're waiting for a new trunk. We decided to get a new trunk for it, so yeah, this thing's not savable. While the parts are coming in, let's slap the rear bumper on and get her off the rack. We'll no longer need a frame. So we just slapped her on. We do need this new bracket that goes in the bumper, but it has a side crack, but everything seems to line up pretty well. We're still gonna be maybe slightly pulling a little more, but all this is based on the trunk. Once the trunk comes in, we'll have a better view and understanding what's going on. Might need slightly pulled. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. Guys, the car just came from the paint. It got assembled, so gonna get detailed. Came out looking good. We're really happy. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like, subscribe, ring the bell, how it works. Thank you for staying tuned, guys, and God bless. We are gone.